Hey guys, it's Cassie, and today we have another unboxing. I know I've done quite a few of these recently, getting a little bit excited, don't know why. This is going to be the last one for a while, probably until like what I got for Christmas or something like that. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie, I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's get to opening. As soon as I tried these on in one of my recent videos, I was like, it's on my Christmas list and everything else. And then I thought, sod it, I have to get them. I'm sorry, but even my dad approved. Even my dad, when I tried them on, was like, they look fantastic, also send a picture to mum. And you know it's good when your dad is like, you need to send the picture to your mother. So there you go. Are you ready? You've guessed what it is. Right. Dun, 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 dun. Jimmy Choo Timberland collaboration. It comes in a gold box. Why? Because I've truly won the golden ticket getting these. Yes, I have cheese every time with an unboxing. So to get hit in the face. We have the dust bag. Oh my god. Wait for it. Just wait for it. I know they look sickening on camera. It's not even half of what they look like in real life. The detail on these boots. Okay, but, right, so I'm going to go into all of the detail, the styling, all of that, price. We're gonna get right into the depths of this shoe. So when I decided, sod it, the trigger needs to be pulled. This needs to be a part of my collection. I was searching all around the web and they were selling out everywhere except for, I'm sorry, who is that? Farfetch, today's video sponsor. Guys, you know what that means, and that means that I have a code for you. Yes, I do. I just want to say thank you to all of you who do use the code, and I also love it when you tell me what you buy, so keep doing that. But that means that Farfetch keeps coming back, wants to do sponsorships with me, and it means that I keep getting codes to give you, which is great. This is the code on the screen. I will leave all of the T's and C's, all of the details below. For those of you who are unaware, Farfetch basically pulls together boutiques from over like 50 countries across the world onto one platform, right? And this is why, for a lot of stuff that I can't find anywhere else, it's always on Farfetch, because they just have the reach, you know? They also have a great range of designers because they have that global reach of designers maybe you haven't heard of before and stuff like that, so it's also a great place to discover new hot brands. They also have a fabulous rewards program, so as you shop, you get a little discount here and there, a little free shipping, something like that, which we all love and appreciate. Also, I do have an edit on Farfetch, and that is where I basically put Cassie-approved items, things on my wish list. I will have the edit linked below, but for example, it's got things like this Prada puffer jacket I mentioned in a recent video that is truly a moment. This off-white script scarf that I have been dropping all of the hints for somebody to get me for Christmas. Not gonna lie, there is just something about that sodding script on the black and the white reversible moment that I'm absolutely living for. And also, we even have my Le Chiquito in my edit, and also another variation, you know, for those of you interested in a little bit of TBE, a little bit of tiny bag energy. So all of the links will be below. The discount code will be below. Thank you so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. This is a collaboration between Jimmy Choo and Timberland. They have taken the original Timberland work boot, which we know is very like iconic. Who doesn't know a Timberland boot? This is a boot that both my dad and I can wear respectively. My dad is not interested in the one with crystals, obviously. He has the old trusty one. But that is the type of item this is, like transcends generations, blah, blah, blah. And the only time I had a pair was when I was little. This pair came along. It is the most Cassie $2 pair of Timberland boots I've ever laid eyes on. And this is it now. This is the only pair of Timberlands I need for the rest of my life. Investment piece? Hello! Also, as part of this collaboration, they plant a tree for every pair sold, which I love that, and I think that more brands should do like cute little initiatives like that. Doesn't make you feel as bad at parting with your money for it because you're doing something great as well. And why not? It's like, I was going to buy them anyway, and now they're going to get a tree out of it. Hello! These are the ones with, you've got Swarovski crystals around the back here. You also have Swarovski crystals all in the, I don't know what to call this bit, but it's all in this bit, and that to me, just like these tiny little details just absolutely make the boot. All in the little eyelets, there's crystals in there. Question, do you keep these on? Is it something like, you know when rappers went through that phase of like keeping all the tags on their like flat caps? Is it one of those situations where you like, you keep it on? Or do you like take it off and, I don't know, use it as a key ring? Let me know. Just look at the inside. That is all like gold and glistening and glittery. They have really like gone to, even on the laces, on the little things. Look at that. Look at that. All crystals in there. They have not skimped out. Let me tell you. These were £1,095. I'm going to try these on for you. I'm going to style these for you. But before I do, I want to quickly talk about sizing. God, look at that. Even the Timberland logo has crystals. It's just so extra magical. She's a boot gal. She is a boot gal through and through. 2020, the year of the boot. And other not so great things. But if there was one thing positive out of this year, it's that now I can appreciate a good boot. Okay, so one thing to note with this collaboration that is very important, especially if you're ordering in Europe, is that it goes by US sizing. I got a US 8, which translates to an EU 39. So just be aware of that. All right, moment of truth. I've been going on about these, and for all we know, they may not fit. So let's go for it. Yes, my socks are from the Dole pineapple plantation in Hawaii. So there we go. And let me tell you, yeah, that's perfect. That. Oh, we love it when the size works out. My main thing that was pulling me back from getting these was the colour. And I know that it's such like an iconic colour, like, what are you talking about, Cassie? Like, that's the point. And I know this. If this was in black, the moment I saw it, I would have parted my money. So I was a little bit nervous purely about styling these, but I really didn't need to be because it's a neutral, Cassie. It's a sodding neutral. Get over it. And you know, we all have little moments where we're just like, not ourselves. Look number one for you, just a casual flex. So we've just done a black jean. We've got the boots, sparkling, looking like they were sent straight from the heavens, okay? Then we have this kind of beige, slouchy, knitted top. Again, we have a neutral. But then, obviously, I paired it with a bag with just a little bit of fun happening, okay? So we have a sprinkle of excitement so that she's not boring, but everything is balanced. Do you see? Do you see where we're going with this? Okay, look number two. We got like a little bit of a preppy vibe. So I have my trusty, amazing, pleated Dion Lee skirt here. We've gone with a tight, we got a white turtleneck because again, I don't know, I wanted to live and breathe a little bit of like Gossip Girl realness with this look. And you bam, you hit it with your Jimmy Choo Timberlands and it just like takes the look in a different direction, but it still makes sense and I love it. Last look here, I have no idea what to call it, so I'm taking names in the comments. But basically, so we have this Alexander Wang mini dress, you know, she's a little bit bodycon. So we've gone for like slouchy bomber jacket situation. This is the Nanushka faux leather one, living for it. Again, you've got all black with the boots being the focal point. But again, it's not crazy, we're not overdoing it. And of course, had to top it with the Jacquemus Le Chiquito Homme. Why? Because I'm sorry, the colours work so well together and it's delicious, and why not? Guys! Oh my god. I love how on this channel we really go through a journey of my mental thoughts to do with an item. Okay, we first found out about it, I was like, I'm kind of here for it, but the price is a little bit steep, blah, blah, blah. Then I tried them on and I was like, that's all that is out of the window, I'm sorry, these are absolutely fabulous. And here we are. So, you know, we really bring things full circle on this channel. Guys, let me know what you think. I'm going to leave the Farfetch code here once again. Do let me know if you use it and what you buy. DM me on Instagram at casscass2102 because I love to know. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.